Hi, welcome back to Alina's Spanish. Today we are going to talk about a very simple but important topic, the month of the year en español. Empecemos con el primer mes, enero. Su mes favorito es enero. In Spanish, unlike in English, we write month with a small letter. Usually, we use month without articles. The next one, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. Nací en diciembre. That was the last one. However, I have more useful information for you. To say, it's January now, in Spanish, we will need to use the verb estar and conjugate it for nosotros. Estamos en enero, which literally means we are in January. So in Spanish, we do not say it is January, but we are in January. Estamos en enero. If we want to talk about precise dates, we would use the verb ser. For example, hoy es 5 de mayo. Again, mayo without article, but because we are talking about a certain day, we use the verb ser. Hoy es 5 de mayo. To say month, we would say el mes. Now you know, the months in Spanish are simple, yet important to know. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and for more ground, important and detailed knowledge in Spanish, check out my course, the link is below. Thank you and hope to see you soon.